I'll guide you through how to use Replit. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin, register for a Replit account using your Gmail for a faster and easier setup. Create a new simple project by clicking the Create App button on the dashboard. In the description box, type Create a simple calculator application in Python that can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Next, choose the AI mode according to your needs. You may leave it on auto for automatic selection or manually select Python to ensure the project is set to the correct language. After that, click the Start Building button to generate the application framework. The system will then display a proposed plan for the build, and you will see an Approve Plan and Start button. Click this button to confirm the plan and begin the build process. Once the build has started and finished, try some of the features of the calculator application you created to make sure it works correctly. When you're done, you can share the project with others via link.